Hi, good evening. So tonight we're going to unbox an air fryer. This is a Chinese brand I'm not familiar with, and it's very small, or say portable. The manual, so it has two of them, maybe a startup guide and the specs itself, but there are no English text, just plain Chinese. I don't know how to read it. Maybe I'll learn after a few years. Um, so the brand is called Upany. Could be, right? It's colored with recipes. Oh, so this is a recipe handbook, sorry. But the manual, here's the manual with the parts. This is only very small. It's only 2.1 liters. But you need to consider the wattage, like the amount of electricity it will consume. Shows here it's 1000 watts maximum, 1000 W, 220 volts. So it's like you are using two irons at the same time. Hand iron. Or maybe two ACs. Most of the air fryers would run up to 15 minutes, and then you need to turn the meat on the other side. So we're going to open this now. Oh no, the tape. Forgot about tape. Wait up. This cost around 200, I mean, sorry, 2,800 pesos. Very affordable. But again, according to this receipt, it was, or the item description is from Xiaomi. But I'm not seeing any Xiaomi labels here, so possible that Xiaomi is the distributor of this Upany brand. Okay. I'm sorry I don't have a table yet. Wait. It looks like a spaceship. And it's white. Okay. This looks premium. So, by the word air fryer, it means that it needs air space around it. Also, for air fryers, you can use aluminum. I've done some research. You can use aluminum, but do not use microwavable plastic. It will melt. But on the other side, or for microwaves, it's the opposite. If you use aluminum foil, it will bounce the electromagnetic heat, and it will cause some sparks. So I hope that this has some presets. I'm not entirely sure, and I hope that there's an icon image because I can't read. Uh, three prong. There you go. Let's remove the tape. I won't turn this on as of the moment. This is only unboxing. So this could be the vent where the air passes through. Okay. How do you take this out? Oops. Wow. It's so tiny. 2.1 liters it is. There's a maximum marking there. Maybe you can see it there. Okay. I can use this. Also, it is best to always clean the container every use so that the residue will not, or the leftover food will not stick to the non-stick metal. Here's the inside. It's like if you see this circular metal inside, it looks like the first designs of an electric stove, which really has or consumes a lot of electricity compared to an induction cooker. Okay, so this is it. Just like this, buttons in front and the space for the food. I still have in my fridge the December holiday ham. I'm gonna try and cook that maybe tomorrow. According to the demos, you need to slice it first and then check on it every like 7 minutes. But I'm not gonna use aluminum foil for this, even if they say that it's allowed. So this is the first I'm going to use it. This really works like a the conventional turbo broiler. Well, the only difference is that that one is much larger, but the function is the same. They're like ovens. It has a very futuristic design. Other air fryers that are larger than this, they have a mesh inside, or maybe like a metal, what do you call that? A stick for like chicken roasting. Also some accessories or tools to to get the food inside, like a thong, perhaps. Not familiar with the vocabulary when it comes to cooking. Okay, so that's just it. It's very cheap, and there are lots of air fryers nowadays. I don't understand why it became a trend this pandemic. I don't know. Then maybe after a few days after I tested this, I'm going to go to SNR. They have lots of frozen steaks there, but I need to watch first because I'm not familiar with the temperature, like how many degrees Fahrenheit and when to turn it over. I need to watch that first. I don't want to spoil everything. Okay, so Okay. Under it, there is no English. There really is no English translation of any sort. There's a heat icon at the back, so this could be where the heat really gets out. Mhm. So light. You know what? It's so small. It's like you can just put some noodles. That's how small it is for French fries. They say. Uh, okay, so that's it. That's the Upany air fryer. Get yours. It's everywhere. And I suggest that you buy those that are expensive and larger because you know for electricity and for gadgets, those that are expensive are the more are those that save more electricity compared to these types. And there are containers like this that are transparent with plastic, maybe plastic glass, so you can see if it's really cooking inside. That would be more efficient. Okay, unlike this. So hopefully I won't have any trouble when I operate it. I need to see the icons, the numbers, the temperature, and the minutes. Okay, so that's it. Next I need to unbox another machine here. So thank you for your time and have a good day.